Hey, what's up guys? Jonathan Sussman, CPA. Just finished with a late night bike ride and wanted to talk about the most important things that a bike shop needs to know in order to optimize its accounting. So there's four main steps. The first one is reconciling all of the accounts. So that means that the accounts in the books match the accounts in real life. And that means every transaction that actually happened is in the books and nothing extraneous. So for example, I want to see on the books that the bank statement matches the bank statement in real life. And if that's not the case, then your books are almost definitively wrong. So for a bike shop, important is going to be inventory, accounts payable, banks, and credit cards. If those things are tied out, there's a pretty good chance that the books are going to be materially correct. The second thing is that everything is classified correctly. And so that means that all items of cash inflow, if they are taxable, are recorded as income, and if they're non-taxable, they're recorded as loans or debt, contributions, and so that way you're not overpaying tax. And then all items of cash outflow are either recorded as deductible or not, so that way you ensure that you're capturing all the deductions that you possibly can and not deducting anything that is illegal to deduct. The third thing is that the tax is calculated correctly. That means the right elections, the right forms are filed, and the right positions are taken. As I always say, the best tax strategy is just doing it correctly. You'd be surprised about how many tax favorable moves you're already making, and it's super high leverage to take them rather than not. It's a huge return just doing it correctly. And then fourth is just paying your taxes as they come due or even before. That way you could be sure that your cash flow is correct. So if you're not going to owe any tax, then maybe you wouldn't need to pay it quarterly, for example. And if you're going to owe a little more, then you would want to pay that so that way you don't get hammered come March. And if those are all in order, there's a really good chance that your accounting is going to be very strong. And so for more tips, accounting tips, tax tips on how to optimize your bike shop for accounting purposes, then subscribe and head over to sussman.cpa. See you there.